ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 366। इन भाष्य थर्ड लाइन तावज्ञादित्यौ वांग मनसे। yesterday we saw वांग मनसे the सूत्र अचतुर विचतुर सूत्र। in टीका it was said वांग is माता, mana eva, this we saw, right? Mana is pita, Vang is mata, prana is praja. First line in tika. This we saw. So pranasya prajatvam vachyamiti avipratyah taviti tavagnyadityau Vang manase in bhashya adidaivike mata pitarau mithunam maithunyam itaretara sansargam samaitam samagacchetam. Vang and Manaha, they will become the mother and father for prana. So they will be the couple. Means together only they will produce prana. So you need Vang and Manas in this way. So this is also upasana. All these are for upasana. Itaretara sansargam samaitam samyak etam gacchetam. टीका थर्ड लाइन हो गया कि नहीं? मन एव अस्य आत्मा वाग्जाया प्राणः प्रजा इति अध्यात्म. This was said earlier. Mana is atma, Vag is jaya, because 5 things are required: yajmana, yajmana patni, putra, dhana, daivam vittam, manusham vittam. So it was said, person who is not completely bahirmukha, extroverted, but at the same time he also has some shortcomings, so he is not completely ready for jnanam. So for that person some upasanas are required. So this is the upasana. Instead of getting into karma, he is told you do some upasana, prepare yourself and then come to jnanam. So this is the type of upasana. Atma, mana is atma, Vak is wife, jaya, prana is praja. So you have yajmana, yajmana patni, putra, all are there. Or adhyatmam mana eva pita, Vang mata, prana praja, in this way. So in different ways, upasana when it is done, one is mind will not think of vishayas. Mind will think of your upasya, dhyaya, your chintanam will be there. इति अधिभूतं च वाङ्मनसयोः प्राणस्य प्रजात्वम् उक्तं तथा अधिदैवे अपि. इन अधिदैव also this should be there. कथम आदित्यस्य मनसः प्राणं प्रति पितृत्वं वाचो वा अग्नेर्मातृत्वं तत्र आह. Mana is Aditya. Mind is like sun. Manasaha Adityasya Pranam Prati Pitrutvam. That mind will become Pita towards Prana. And Vachaha Matrutvam. And Agnehe. Agni is also Vak. So Agnehe Matrutvam. How? This is the question. Tatraha. In Bhashya. Manasa Adityena Prasutam Pitra Vacha Agnina मात्रा प्रकाशितम कर्म करिष्यामि इति अंतरा रोदस्योः. मनसा आदित्येन प्रसूतम. with the help of mind, आदित्येन प्रसूतम. So उत्पन्नम through Aditya. Mind is sun, Adityena. That is Pita, Pitra. And Vacha Agnina Matra, Prakashitam. Vacha is Agni, that is mother, by that Prakashitam karma. Karishyami iti antara rodasyoho. Rodasyoho is Dyava Prithivyoho. The earth, Prithvi, and Dev, Swarga, together they are called Rodasya. Rodasi, actually. Tayoho Rodasyoho. In Tika, Savitram Pakam Agneyancha Prakasham ऋते कार्य सिद्धि अदर्शनात् तयोः सिद्धम जनकत्वम इत्यर्थः. सावित्रम पाकम आग्नेयम च. Savita means sun. Savitram, that which belongs to sun or caused by sun. Savitram Pakam Agneyam. What is the result through Aditya? Prakasham cha. And Prakasham, Agneyam cha Prakasham Rite Karya Siddhi Adarshanath. Without Prakasham, Prakasham Rite Karya Siddhi Adarshanath. If sunlight is not there or Agni is not there, Savitram Pakam Agneyam cha Prakasham Rite Karya Siddhi Adarshanath. And therefore, Tayoho Siddham Janakatvam. So therefore, they are Janaka, Janakatvam Siddham. Because it is said, Adityena Pitra and Agnina Matra. So Aditya and Agni, they both will become Janaka, mother and father. Why they are why you have to have them as Janaka? That is what it is. Savitram Pakam Agniyam cha Prakasham Rite Karya Siddhi Adarshana. So sun cooking something. Cooking means sun rays will make things heated up. When there is no sun, it is so cold, nothing will come there. So Savitram Pakam and Agniyam Prakasham, Agni illumining it. Or you say mind and Vani. So mind will think of it and Vani will illuminate in this way. Without that, nothing will be there. Karya siddhi adarshanath. Tayoho siddham janakatvam. What is karma? Karma shabdena karyam uchyate. Tat karishyami iti pratyekam abhisandhi पूर्वकम आदित्य अग्न्योर द्यावा पृथिव्योः अंतराले संगति ही आसीत् इत्याह. कर्म शब्देन कार्यम उच्यते. कर्म मीन्स कार्यम. तत् करिष्यामि इति इन भाष्य इट इज गिवन कर्म करिष्यामि प्रत्येकम अभिसंधि पूर्वकम. सो व्हेन यू डू कर्म सम अभिसंधानम में संकल्प इज देयर. आदित्य अग्नियोर ध्यावा पृथिव्यो हो. आदित्य एंड अग्नि दे आर ध्यावा एंड पृथ्वी. सो दिस ध्यावा द्यावा पृथिव्यो हो इज रोदस्यो हो. In their antarale there is sangati. So between them there is a joint. Like that here also between Vang and Manaha the sandhi, sangati is there. Ityaha karma karishyami iti antara rodasyo. Sangati karyam abhiprayanusari. Sangati karyam is according to the abhipraya. Iti anusari darshayati. ततस्तयोरेवं संगमनात् प्राणो वायुरजायत परिस्पंदाय कर्मणे. ततः thereafter तयोः एव संगमनात् these two द्यावा पृथ्वी and Aditya and Agni. Aditya Agni, sun and the fire, because of them coming together, Prano Vayu Ajareta. The Prana Vayu came into being. Why? Parispandaya Karmane. Second number tippani. Antarikshe Gamanaya. For Gamanam in Antariksha. Tika. Vayor Indratva असपत्नत्व गुण विशिष्टस्य उपासनम अभिप्रेत्य आह. वायोः इंद्रत्व असपत्नत्व गुण विशिष्टस्य. Vayu has these guna. So when you do upasana, see how it is given. Vayor indratva asapatnatva guna vishishtasya upasanam abhipretya. In any upasana, you have to focus on some guna. Guna vishishta upasya will be there. If we take any form also, let's say Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So you don't just think Krishna, 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 because nothing will come to your mind. You bring the form, you bring some attribute, you bring some quality, some story, katha you remember, then you connect. Some upadesh you remember, then you connect. That is called guna vishishta upasanam. So here two gunas are given of prana. Indratva, asapatnatva. Guna vishishtasya upasanam abhipretya aha. यो जातः स इंद्रः परमेश्वरो न केवलम इंद्र एव असपत्नो अविद्यमानः. इंद्र एव असपत्नः. व्हाट इज असपत्नः? अविद्यमानः सपत्नो यस्य सः असपत्नः. Indra is Parameshwara. Here Indra means Paramatma. So in many places like Indro Mayavihi Pururupayate, say Indra Yonihi, in Taittiriya Upanishad, Indra is Yoni, Utpatti Sthanam. In sutras, there is a sutra for Indriya. Indriyam, Indralingam, Indrasrishtam, Indrajushtam, Indradattam. Itiva. Indralingam, Indradrishtam, Indrasrishtam, Indrajushtam, Indradattam. Itiva. So there, if you see what is the meaning of the word Indra, it says Atma. Indra means Atma. That is what is given here also. Indra means Parameshwara, Paramatma. Na kevalam Indra eva asapatnaha. Avidyamanaha. Avidyamana Devadattaha aputraha. When you say Devadattaha aputraha. Aputraha, how will you use Samasa Vigraha? Avidyamano Putro Yasya. Saha Avidyamanaha Putraha Yasya. Saha Aputraha. So, this Samasa Sutra is Anekam Anya Padarthe. There this Drishtanta is given of Aputraha. Anekam Anya Padarthe. In that there is a Vartika. Nayo Astyarthanam Vachyo Va Chottara Padalopaha. So there Nay Samas is there. Nayo Astyarthanam Vachyo Va Chottara Padalopaha. So Asapatnaha Avidyamanaha Sapatnaha Yasya. Sapatnaha means Shatru, enemy, the one who has no enemy. Atma has no enemy. Kaha punaha sapatnaha sapatno nama द्वितीयो वै प्रतिपक्षत्वेन उपगतः स द्वितीयः सपत्नः इति उच्यते. Question is, kaha punaha sapatnaha? Who is the enemy? Which is the second one is enemy. Dvitiyo means where there is dvaitam, there such buddhi will come. If there is advaitam, this buddhi will not come. Kaha punaha sapatno nama dvitiyo. Tika. Dvitiyasya sapatnatve vagadehe api tathatvam syat. If second one is sapatna, then vag, manaha, they are also different from prana. So they also can become shatru. There is dvitiyatvam. Tathatvam syat iti ashankyaha. No, pratipakshatvena upagata. Second, the one who is opponent, then it is enemy. If second, third, but if there is no bheda buddhi, then there is no problem. If there is bheda buddhi, then there is problem. So pratipakshatvena upagata. Sadvitiyah sapatna iti uchyate. Yathokta sapatna vyakhyana phalam aha. What is the objective of all this description, etc.? Tena dvitiyatve api sati vang manase na sapatnatvam bhajete pranam prati guna bhava upagate eva hi te adhyatmam iva. So vang manase, vang and manas, these two, they don't have. What do they don't have? And what do they have?
They have dvitiyatvam, but don't have sapatnatvam.
Correct. They have dvitiyatvam, but they don't have sapatnatvam. Dvitiyatve api sati vang manase sapatnatvam na bhajete. pranam prati. They don't become inimical to prana, even though they are different, because they are not pratipaksha. गुण भाव उपगते एव ही ते अध्यात्ममेव. Like in Adhyatma, Guna Bhava means they become secondary. They allow prana to be pradhana. Prana will become pradhana, primary. Vang mana will become guna, secondary. Therefore, they will not compete. Therefore, they are not pratipaksha. If there are two pradhanams, then there is pratipaksha. Then there is sapatnatvam. Guna bhava upagate eva hite अध्यात्ममेव. यथा अध्यात्मे, इन टिप्पणी 6 नंबर, यथा अध्यात्मे देहे वांग मनसे प्राणादीने तथा अधिदैवे देहे अपि. So just as in adhyatma deha, like that in adhidaiva deha also. Means in individual and in total. They stay dependently, therefore there is no virodha. टीका. असपत्न गुणक प्राणोपासने फलवाक्यम प्रमाणयति. और असपत्न गुणक प्राणोपासना. So imagine if pranas are there and I am doing upasana of prana as the one who doesn't have enemy, the one who doesn't have enemy. Then what will happen? I will also not have enemy. So I will become free from any dvaita buddhi or pratipaksha buddhi. Constantly this fear is there. Whatever I have, somebody will take away. Whatever I don't have but I want, it will never come to me because somebody will take it. This bhava will keep me so insecure, I will not be able to focus on what is my mukhya dhyaya. This will go away. This upasana will help me in this way. Pranasya asapatnatve siddhe sati iti yavat. Tatra means when prana becomes asapatna, if it is siddham, then you can do this. In my buddhi, if this is clear, then I can do this upasana. तत्र प्रासंगिक असपत्न विज्ञान फलम इदम. For this prasangika asapatna vijnana phalam, what is that? Na asya vidushaha sapatnaha pratipaksho bhavati ya evam yathoktam pranam asapatnam veda. The one who knows this prana as asapatna, he will not have any pratipaksha, enemy. In tika, prasangikatvam prajotpatti prasangat avagatam. Main topic was Prajapati creating Annam. How many Annam? 7.
7.
Seven Annam. This was the main topic. But Prasangat Agatam. This is called Prasangika Sangati. So because of that, this Pranasya Asapatnatva topic also was discussed. Otherwise, there was no need to bring this topic in. But Prasangat, that topic was also discussed and Phalam was also given. Further now. Tika. आधिदैविकयोर वांग मनसयोर विभूति निर्देशन आनंतर्यम अथ इति उक्तम. See the mantra first. अथ एतस्य प्राणस्य आपः शरीरं ज्योतिरूपम् असौ चन्द्रस् तद् यावानेव प्राणस् तावत्य आपः आपस्तावानसौ चन्द्रस् त एते सर्व एव समाः सर्वे अनन्ताः सयो हैतानन्तवत उपास्ते अंतवतं स लोकं जयत्यथ यो हैतानन्तान् उपास्ते यो ह एतान् अनन्तान् उपास्ते अनन्तं स लोकं जयति. अथ एतस्य प्राणस्य आपः शरीरम. दिस प्राण हैज आप एज इट शरीर, जल शरीर. ज्योति रूपम असौ, and this chandrama is jyoti rupa. So chandrama also they say is as jalam, jala sharira. There is lot of jalam. Asau chandraha. Tad yavan eva pranas tavatya apaha. Tavatya. What is the pratipadika? What is the pratipadika?
तावत्य
Tavatya.
Tau atya.
No.
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग स्वामी.
How? What is apaha? Apa is bahuvachanam. So tavatya is also bahuvachanam. Tavati. Tavati pratipadika. Ekvachanam will be tavati. Bahuvachanam will be tavatya. Didn't that earlier word come? Yavati prithvi or something? Previous one?
Yes, स्वामी.
Or somewhere it comes. So anyway, tavatya. Yavati, tavati, strilinga. Tavatya, strilinga, bahuvachanam. Apaha, because apa is? It came, right? Tavati prithvi. So that is ekvachanam strilinga. And tavatya is bahuvachana strilinga. Tavatya apaha. Tavan asau chandraha. That big parimana is of Chandra. Ta ete means te ete sarve eva samaha. All are samana. Sarve anantaha. How we have to do upasana? That they all are infinite. Whatever see, these Vedas prepare us. I have so much parichinna buddhi. I am finite. And I want to know I am Brahma, which is my nature. But I am identified with finite, parichinna. So they say you meditate on this first, that you are infinite. They say I cannot meditate that I am infinite. You say you meditate that something is infinite. Like Akasha, like Vayu. That is infinite. So someone say, okay, that I can do. So when my mind goes on thinking about infinite, then I will get this thinking, I am infinite. Means it will not happen. You will have to study Mahavakya, then you will understand. But at least infinite idea will not be a remote thing for me if I do Upasana. That is why this is required. Sarve eva samaha sarve anantaha. Sayo ha etan antavataha. upaste antavatam salokam jayati. If somebody meditates on something which is antavan, means finite, then his phalam will be finite. He will attain the loka which is finite. Antavantam lokam saha jayati. Athayoha etan anantan upaste. But the one who meditates on infinite world or infinite objects, then anantam salokam jayati. Then he will get the world of infinitude. So when you think of infinite, shallowness will go away from mind. Limitations will go away. You will not be afraid of anything. You will not be afraid means not that I will be ready to fight with everybody. You will not be afraid means you will not be afraid of losing anything. If you are infinite, where anything can go, whatever goes anywhere is within me only. In this way, you will know. And at body level, who can possess how much? Can anyone have anything more than some limited thing? If someone says, meet this person, oh, this person has lots and lots of property. Lots and lots of property means how many planets he has? Some small area is there in one planet, and that people think, oh, so much property. This sense of finitude. So at the individual level, no matter what you do, how much ever karma you do, what is going to be your gain? Is very, very infinitesimal. So this kind of upasana will expand my mind, and I will never be carried away by such small things. Okay, let's see the meaning now. In Tika, आदिदैविकयोः वाङ्मनसयोः विभूति निर्देश आनन्तर्यम्. Having explained Adidaivika, Vang and Manasaha Vibhuti, Atha iti uktam. In Bhashya, Atha etasya prakritasya prajapatya annasya pranasya न प्रजोक्तस्य अनंतर निर्दिष्टस्य आपः शरीरं कार्यं करणाधारः पूर्ववत् ज्योति रूपम् असौ चंद्रः चंद्रस्तत्र यावानेव प्राणो यावत् परिमाणो अध्यात्मादि भेदेषु तावद् व्याप्तिमत्य आपस् तावत् परिमाणास्. Okay, let's see this much. एतस्य प्रकृतस्य प्राजापत्य अन्नस्य. All this is Prajapati is annam, सप्तान्नम. प्राणस्य न प्रजोक्तस्य अनंतर निर्दिष्टस्य. प्रजोक्तस्य अनंतर निर्दिष्टस्य means after praja utpatti. Pranam is not grihita. Why in Tika it is given? Because it is apradhana. Prana अप्रधानत्वात् न प्रजोक्तस्य अनंतर निर्दिष्टस्य प्राणस्य. आपः शरीरम कार्यम करणाधारः. आप is it शरीरम, कार्यम is, कार्यम means karma, its karma is karanadharah. It is the adhara for all karana. पूर्ववत् ज्योति रूपम असौ चंद्रस तत्र. And ज्योति रूपम चंद्र, this chandra is ज्योति रूप. तत्र यावानेव प्राणो यावत् परिमाणः. Whatever is the size of prana, Parimana means size, means vistar. Adhyatmadi bhedeshu tavad vyaptimatya apaha. Adhyatmadi bhedeshu tavad vyaptimatya apaha. So vyaptimati apaha, or also as much vyapta. In टीका ननु एतस्य इति एतत् शब्देन प्रजात्वेन उक्तस्य प्राणस्य किम इति न ग्रहणं तत्राह. एतस्य, in that एतत् शब्द is there, प्रजात्वेन उक्तस्य प्राणस्य ग्रहणं किम न. So he says because it is not pradhana. अन्नत्रयस्य समप्रधानत्वेन प्रकृतत्वात् एतत् शब्देन प्रधान परामर्श उपपत्तौ न अप्रधानं परामर्श्यत इत्यर्थः. अन्नत्रयस्य समप्रधानत्वेन, they all are equally pradhana. So here एतत् शब्देन प्रकृतत्वात् एतत् शब्देन प्रधान परामर्श उपपत्तौ, by etat pradhana paramarsha is done, apradhana paramarsha is not done. So here what is said is this: Prajapati anna prana, not praja uktasya anantar nirdishtasya pranasya. Prana is classified as two. One is, of the seven annam, pranam is there. Manaha, vak, prana, vang, mana, prana. That prana you have to take, not praja uktasya anantara nirdishtasya, which will be mentioned later as prajatvena uktasya pranasya. Prajatvena ukta prana is not taken because that is apradhana. And these three, vang, mana, prana, they are pradhana, but they are equal. That is to be taken. That is why it is given annatrayasya समप्रधानत्वेन प्रकृतत्वात्. एतत् शब्देन प्रधान परामर्श उपपत्तो. एतत् शब्द here refers to प्रधान परामर्श. परामर्श परा उपसर्ग पूर्वक मृष धातु अवमर्शने. परामर्श उपपत्तौ न प्रधानं परामर्श्यते इत्यर्थः. टीका फर्दर. पूर्ववत् वाचो मनसश्च पृथिवी द्यौश्च शरीरम यथा तथा इत्यर्थः. वाचो मनसश्च पृथिवी द्यौश्च शरीरम, of the mind, speech and mind, vachah manasasya, prithvi dyaushcha shariram. Prithvi and dyau, akash is the swarga, they are the shariram. Yatha, tatha, द्वैरूप्ये प्राणस्य उक्ते व्याप्तिम अवशिष्टाम व्याचष्टे. So now prana is of two forms. द्वैरूप्ये प्राणस्य उक्ते व्याप्तिम अवशिष्टाम व्याचष्टे. तत्र तत्र यावानेव प्राणो यावत् परिमाणो अध्यात्मादि भेदेषु तावद् व्याप्तिमत्य आपः. The apah jalam is as much pervading as prana. So much is the parimana. तावान इत्यादि प्रतीकम आदाय व्याचष्टे। चंद्रो अबाधेयस तासु अप्सु अनुप्रविष्टः। चंद्रो अबाधेयस तासु अप्सु अनुप्रविष्टः। अबाधेयः, how will you do समास विग्रह? And what is बाधेय?
आप आधेय
अप्सु आधेय सप्तमी तत्पुरुष। अप्सु आधेयः अबाधेयः। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।